island escape from India? The Mumbai to Phu Quoc flight is your ticket to Vietnam's tropical heaven, where turquoise waves, white sands, and warm smiles await. In this video, we'll show you how to reach Phu Quoc, the best time to visit, flight options, and everything you need to know for a hassle-free trip with VietnamTour.in. Just 2 hours off Vietnam's southern coast, Phu Quoc Island is a true tropical paradise. Here, you can relax on the shores of Sao Beach, watch golden sunsets at Long Beach, or explore the colorful coral reefs around Hon Thom Island. And the best part? Indian travelers can visit Phu Quoc without a visa for up to 30 days, as long as they fly directly to the island. Whether you are coming for a honeymoon, family trip, or beach escape, Phu Quoc welcomes you with warm smiles, delicious seafood, and a sense of peace that makes you never want to leave. Right now, there is no direct Mumbai to Phu Quoc flight, but it's still very easy to get there with just one stop. You can first fly from Mumbai to either Ho Chi Minh City, South Vietnam, or Hanoi, North Vietnam. Both have daily international flights from India. From there, you'll take a short domestic flight, about 1 hour, to Phu Quoc Island. Several airlines operate this route, including Vietjet Air, Vietnam Airlines, Thai Airways, and Singapore Airlines. So you can choose based on your budget and schedule. In total, the whole journey usually takes around 6 to 8 hours, depending on your connection time. Quick, simple, and very comfortable. Round-trip tickets for the Mumbai to Phu Quoc flight range from 20,000 rupees to 35,000 rupees INR, depending on season and airline. To save more, book early or travel during off-peak months. VietnamTour.in can help you find the best flight deals, plan airport transfers, and arrange your stay at top-rated Indian-friendly resorts. Indian travelers don't need a visa if they fly directly to Phu Quoc Island and stay for less than 30 days. You can just book your flight, pack your bags, and enjoy your holiday. No paperwork needed. However, if your Mumbai to Phu Quoc flight has a stop in Ho Chi Minh City or Hanoi, you'll need to apply for a Vietnam e-visa before your trip, because you'll officially enter Vietnam at those airports. But don't worry, VietnamTour.in can help you with the e-visa process quickly and easily. We'll make sure everything is ready before your flight, so your journey stays smooth from start to finish. The best time to visit Phu Quoc is during the dry season, from November to April. During these months, the weather is sunny and pleasant, the sea is calm, and it's perfect for swimming, island hopping, snorkeling, or watching the sunset by the beach. From May to October, it's the green season. There might be some short rain showers, but they usually don't last long. In return, you'll find fewer tourists, lower hotel prices, and lush green landscapes everywhere. No matter when you come, Phu Quoc weather stays warm, tropical, and welcoming all year. Great for beach lovers and travelers who just want to relax and enjoy paradise. Once you land, there's plenty to enjoy. Explore Sao Beach, ride the world's longest sea cable car, visit night markets, or take a day trip to small islands nearby. You can also try jet skiing, snorkeling, or just relax with a coconut by the sea. Indian travelers will love the food scene. From beach cafes serving vegetarian meals to Indian restaurants offering paneer, biryani, and masala tea. With VietnamTour.in, you can book hotels that understand your preferences, so you'll always feel at home, even in paradise. Bring light clothes, sunscreen, and beachwear. Keep some cash in Vietnamese dong for local markets. And don't forget, VietnamTour.in can arrange your airport pickup, island tour, and even Indian meals, so you can just relax and enjoy your trip. So that's everything you need to know about the Mumbai to Phu Quoc flight. Easy, visa-free, and full of tropical beauty. Plan your getaway with VietnamTour.in and let us make your Vietnam holiday seamless and unforgettable. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides across Vietnam and Southeast Asia. Because your next island escape is just one click away.